Now it seems like the lab leak is a real possibility.
Well, Brett, I'm really sorry that the lab leak has become such a distraction for so many people.
The leading health official during the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic admitted the science isn't settled on the origins of the coronavirus. Transcripts from closed-door testimony released by House Republicans reveals former National Institutes of Health Director Francis Collins does not believe the idea of the virus originating in a lab is a conspiracy theory. This despite publicly denouncing the theory in 2020 and in 2021.
Far more likely, this was a natural way in which a virus left a bat, maybe traveled through some other species and got to humans, and there was no lab leak involved.
Collins was called before the Select Subcommittee on the Coronavirus Pandemic. He was to provide transcribed interview testimony to explain his role in the scientific inquiry into the origins of the pandemic. Republicans on the subcommittee directly asked Collins if the virus could have resulted from a laboratory research-related accident, and when specifically probed if he thought the lab leak was a conspiracy theory, Collins responded, "Not at this point." Other public health officials at NIH have also walked back early denouncements of the lab leak theory. Recent testimony from Lawrence Tabak, who served as acting director of NIH following Collins' resignation, agreed the lab leak theory is not necessarily a conspiracy theory. He said it's just an alternate theory that needs to be considered. However, despite being open to possibilities, Tabak says the NIH still maintains the virus likely originated from a natural zoonotic spillover from the wet market in Wuhan.